Hey buddy, ever wonder why companies keep rejecting your resume even when you feel like you have done everything right? Do you know what ATS stands for? Applicant Tracking System. They are like nightclub security, except instead of checking your ID, they are checking your keywords in your CV. Now, what if I told you ChatGPT could be your resume's VIP pass? This isn't a science fiction, it's real. Today I will show you how to use AI to optimize your CV so it doesn't just survive the ATS, it shines through it. And maybe it even gets you more interviews and offers. Before we start refreshing our CV, we need to look at what do people generally do when they apply for a job. Same CV send different companies for different jobs with different tasks. Cute, but you are leaving so much on the table. ChatGPT could be your personal ATS whisperer. Let's see how we can take the job description we are applying for and use it to tailor and refresh our CV so it aligns perfectly with what the employer is asking for. The job description sample was generated by ChatGPT, of course. Analyze this job description and suggest missing keywords and skills for my CV. Boom! Suddenly ChatGPT is exposing the hidden cheat codes inside the job posting. It shows you the secret ingredients that make your CV look like it was born for this role. For example, top keywords to add or emphasize, hard skills and tools, key soft skills should appear clearly in the CV. Suggested phrases to include in your CV. Optional keywords only if applicable. Pro tip: use the language of the job description. You see, different jobs and tasks lead to different keywords, and ChatGPT catches them all. It's up to you how you can use them to enhance your CV. Okay, why your CV gets rejected? Most resumes never even reach a human because the ATS blocks them. So I want to show you what a weak, vague CV line looks like on screen and then how we can rebuild it into something the ATS actually loves. I will use a CV generated by ChatGPT to make sure we stay GDPR compliant. Responsible for answering phone calls and sending emails. Handle scheduling and office supplies. Here is the deal. ATS systems don't care if you were responsible for answering phones and sending emails. That's like telling a dating app you breathed oxygen regularly. Good for you, but not impressive. ATS wants keywords, and lots of them. Without them, your resume goes straight into the abyss. And vague lines like handled scheduling and office supplies make you sound like a background character in the office, not a top candidate. Rewrite these resume bullet points to be ATS friendly for a project manager role. Add industry keywords and measurable impact. Now that's how you impress the robot overlords. It's keyword rich, show measurable impact, and still make sense to human. These bullet points highlight real outcomes and use strong action verbs, making both the ATS and the hiring manager take notice. Complete tasks in small projects, worked with the team to finish tasks. If your resume says stuff like this, congratulations, you told the ATS you did basically nothing. Rewrite these bullet points with measurable achievements focusing on project support, deadlines and collaboration. See what happened? ChatGPT turns vague fluff into sharp bullets with numbers and results. And you can tailor these prompts by role, industry or seniority. Marketing, add campaign metrics. IT, add uptime percentages. Sales, add revenue growth. It's like filling in the blanks of a puzzle. But instead of silly stories, you are creating a resume that actually makes sense to both ATS and recruiters. Plain list of duties. Did data entry, updated spreadsheets, attended meetings, sent weekly reports. This isn't a resume, it's a to-do list. Nobody hiring someone because they attended meetings. We all attend meetings and we all hate them. Rephrase these bullet points to emphasize achievements and quantifiable impact. Structure them for ATS readability, but keep them appealing to human recruiters. That's the magic combo. ATS loves the keywords. Humans love the story. Your CV now speaks fluent robot and human. Okay, here is the twist. Even the best ChatGPT optimized CV isn't perfect out of the box. Robots may love it, but humans make the final call. There are some tips I suggest you to follow. Always review AI-generated content for accuracy. Adjust tone to fit your style. Cut anything that feels exaggerated or robotic. Remember, networking and follow-up matter as much as your CV. Don't forget to analyze the job description to achieve better results. Think of ChatGPT as your copilot, not the captain. It can get you past the ATS bouncer, but you still need to show up, shake hands, and prove you are the real deal. So yeah, with the right prompts, ChatGPT can turn your resume from generic wallpaper into an ATS-proof interview-winning machine. I hope this video helps you get more interviews and offers. Best of luck with your applications. Let me know in the comments what kind of career or workplace topics you would like me to cover next. And remember, don't figure it out, there is always a way out.